Are you ready to tap into the vast potential of selling on Amazon? Whether you're starting a new business or looking to expand your reach, Amazon FBA is the perfect platform to connect with millions of customers around the globe. In this video, we'll share our top 10 tips for successful selling on Amazon, including insider strategies for reaching the 300 million shoppers who browse Amazon stores every day. 1. Research the market. Researching the market is a crucial step when it comes to selling on Amazon FBA. You might be thinking, why bother with all that research? Can't I just pick a product and start selling? Well, not quite. It's like going on a blind date without knowing anything about the person you're meeting. Sure, it might work out, but it's a lot riskier than doing your homework first. By researching the market, you can gain valuable insights into what products are in demand, who your competitors are, and what prices they're offering. But market research isn't just about gathering data. It's also about understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience. What are their pain points? What features do they value most? Plus, doing your research can help you avoid costly mistakes. For example, you might discover that the product you were planning to sell is already oversaturated in the market, or that your competitors are offering similar products at a lower price point. 2. Choose the right products. Choosing the right products is a bit like choosing the right outfit for a first date. It can make all the difference. While you might be tempted to sell products that you're passionate about or that you think are cool, it's important to keep in mind what your potential customers want and need. One key factor to consider is market demand. Are people actively searching for the product you're selling? Are there already a lot of similar products on the market? These are important questions to answer before you invest time and money into launching a new product. But it's not all about the numbers. You also want to choose products that are easy to ship and that have good profit margins. Bulky or heavy items can be costly to ship, while products with low profit margins might not be worth your time and effort. 3. Optimize your product listing. First, make sure your product title is clear and descriptive. Use keywords that accurately describe your product, and avoid using filler words or irrelevant information. Next, focus on your product images. Use high-quality photos that show your product from multiple angles, and use lifestyle images to show your product in use. Then, make sure your product description is detailed and informative. Highlight the key features and benefits of your product, and use bullet points to make it easy to scan. 4. Utilize Amazon's advertising tools. To make the most of Amazon's advertising tools, first start with a clear goal in mind. Do you want to increase sales of a particular product, or are you looking to boost your brand awareness? Knowing your goal can help you choose the right type of ad and targeting options. Next, do your research. Use Amazon's keyword research tools to find relevant keywords to target, and analyze your competitors' ads to see what's working for them. Then, create compelling ad copy and visuals that will catch customers' attention. Use clear, concise language and eye-catching images to make your ad stand out. Finally, monitor and adjust your campaigns regularly. Keep an eye on your ad performance and adjust your targeting, bidding, and creative as needed to maximize your results. 5. Offer excellent customer service. First and foremost, make sure you're responding promptly to customer inquiries and concerns. Amazon provides a messaging system that allows customers to contact sellers directly, so be sure to check your messages frequently and respond in a timely manner. Next, be proactive in preventing problems before they occur. Make sure your product descriptions are clear and accurate, and that your products are packaged and shipped securely to avoid damage or delays. Finally, don't forget to show your appreciation to your customers. Whether it's through personalized thank you notes, discounts on future purchases, or other special offers, showing your customers that you value their business can go a long way in building long-term loyalty. 6. Focus on product reviews. Product reviews provide social proof that your products are high quality and worth purchasing, which can help potential customers feel more confident in their buying decision. First and foremost, make sure you're providing a high-quality product that meets or exceeds customer expectations. Customers are more likely to leave positive reviews for products that they are satisfied with, so focus on creating a product that delivers on its promises and provides real value to customers. Next, be proactive in soliciting reviews from your customers. Amazon allows sellers to send automated review requests to customers after a purchase, so take advantage of this feature to encourage customers to leave feedback. 7. Optimize your inventory management. Optimizing your inventory management is crucial to running a successful business on Amazon FBA. It's essential to ensure that you have the right amount of inventory in stock at all times, to avoid stockouts or overstocking, which can result in lost sales or excess inventory costs. One important aspect of inventory management is forecasting demand. By analyzing sales trends and historical data, you can predict when you'll need to restock your inventory and how much you'll need to order. Also, consider using automation tools to streamline your inventory management processes. Amazon provides tools like the Inventory Placement Service, which allows you to send your inventory to a single Amazon fulfillment center and have Amazon distribute your products to other centers as needed. 8. Monitor your performance metrics. Monitoring your performance metrics is an important tip for selling on Amazon FBA. It helps you keep track of how well your business is performing, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your sales. By regularly monitoring these metrics, you can quickly identify any issues that may be affecting your sales and take corrective actions. Another important metric to monitor is your order defect rate. This metric measures the percentage of orders that have received negative feedback from customers, including late shipments, incorrect items, or damaged products. A high defect rate can negatively impact your seller performance rating and affect your eligibility to sell on Amazon. By monitoring your defect rate and taking corrective actions, you can improve your customer satisfaction and maintain a positive seller rating. 9. Use Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment service. Expanding your reach beyond Amazon can be a great way to grow your business and increase sales. That's where Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment service comes in. By using this service, you can store your inventory in Amazon's warehouses and have them fulfill orders for your products on other online marketplaces and platforms, such as your own website or Etsy. Plus, by leveraging Amazon's extensive logistics network, you can save time and money on shipping and fulfillment, allowing you to focus on growing your business and expanding your reach. Expanding to other platforms can also help you diversify your revenue streams and reduce your reliance on any one marketplace. This can be especially important in the ever-changing landscape of e-commerce, where marketplaces and consumer behavior can shift quickly. 10. Continuously improve your strategy. To continuously improve your strategy, you need to keep experimenting and testing different approaches. For example, you might try different pricing strategies, marketing campaigns, or product bundles to see what works best for your business. Another way to continuously improve your strategy is to keep an eye on your competition. Look for other sellers in your niche and see what they're doing well, what they're not doing well, and how you can differentiate yourself from them. You might be able to offer better prices, faster shipping, or more unique products to set yourself apart from the competition and attract more customers. We hope you found these 10 tips for selling on Amazon FBA helpful and informative. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, these tips can help you optimize your sales, reach more customers, and stand out from the competition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.